Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Aiden, aka Dove, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a 2022 setup tour. Alright guys, I haven't recorded in a while, so I'm going to be probably rusty. Sorry for not uploading or streaming for a while, guys. I've been stressed with like school, work, and friends and stuff, and also I'm moving, so that's why I'm doing a setup tour. You'll probably see another setup tour in a couple months. It'll be in a completely different new house, so you guys can look forward to that. But without further ado, let's get right into it. I haven't shown you guys this basement at all. I moved about like 5 months ago, maybe a little bit less. But yeah, so once you walk down from the basement, the stairs are right up there. You guys can't even see it. Stairs are right there. You walk down right here, and here is my basement. All right, so you got a freezer right here. I don't use that at all, just my parents use it. And here is my setup. Okay, so the first thing you see is my G Fuel. As you guys can see, I have way too much G Fuel. I'm probably gonna be doing a giveaway soon about most of that stuff because I don't need all of that. Like this is completely unopened, as you guys can see right there. So I'll probably do a couple G Fuel giveaways in the future. And yeah, okay, so I have my NZXT PC right there, as you guys can see. I'll put my specs up on the screen somewhere there. And then I have 3 monitors right there, as you guys can see. I have my main 240 hertz monitor, and then just the 75 hertz monitor, and then the 60 hertz monitor. And then I have the 2 monitors mounted right there. When I move, I am going to be getting rid of that third one because it's like really old. I've had that monitor for way too long, so I'm just going to be getting rid of that one. I have the SteelSeries Quick Heavy mousepad, as you guys can see. It's nice and long. I actually really like this mousepad. It's the perfect length, personally. Then I have the glorious Model O wireless. I've had this for about maybe a year or so. I don't really know. I really like this mouse as well. It's really good. It lasts really long as well for like battery performance. And then I have the dongle right back here in case I need to charge it. Then I have the 60% keyboard, the SK61, and then I have HyperX white keycaps on it right here, as you guys can see. You can light up and everything, cool and such. And then I have the SteelSeries Arctis 5 headset. I've had this for almost 4 years, guys. If you guys are OG, I've had this headset for so long, guys, since my Xbox days. So these are really good headsets. I would really recommend it, honestly, guys. There's probably better on the market now, but these are so durable, and I've had them for so long. Then right under here, I have the Stream Deck Mini. Pretty reliable. I like it a lot. It doesn't even have to be used for streaming. Right here, as you guys can see, I can like mute my mic. I can like pause and play stuff, clip things. The Stream Deck is really helpful, and I really like it. Like I said, you guys, 240 hertz monitor right there, both mounted. Then I have the Blue Snowball mic right here on top. It is on a boom arm, and then it has a pop filter on top. Okay, guys, then I have the DX Racer 0 Series Blue gaming chair. I actually really like this gaming chair. One of my friends gave it to me, and it's super nice, and I really like it a lot. And yeah, so pretty much that is my setup. Back there, I kind of have a USB hub for just extra USBs and stuff. And yeah, I also have this Logitech C920S webcam. It's pretty good. The quality's nice. I think I bought it for like 60 bucks at the time. Really cheap, really reliable, and I really like it. So yeah, also, this is going to be the next video, guys. The Elgato Wave 1 mic. I've had this Snowball mic for years now, so it's due for an upgrade, as you guys can see. So that's going to be the next video, so look out for that. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that's going to be all for my setup. I just have cables and stuff under there, my Wi-Fi router, simple stuff like that. Then moving along, just extra space, because we're literally basically moved out, guys. We're literally moving in a week, so there's pretty much nothing here anymore. And yeah, so we're making our way over to the room. As you guys can see, room is pretty plain. We have the bed right there. We have a nice fireplace working and everything. Look at this, guys. Look how nice that is. It's super nice when it gets really cold down here. So yeah, that's the fireplace right there. Then we have a window over here. I'm just gonna keep the blinds on, just a window. A closet for like maintenance and stuff. And yeah, the bed right here, guys. This is a heated blanket, as you guys can see right there. Once again, had this for about 2 or 3 years. I think I got a new one or something a little bit ago, but yeah, same brand and everything. So heated blanket, that's super nice. And then this is my closet, as you guys can see right there. Pretty simple, pretty simple closet things. It's kind of a small closet, but it's okay. Yeah, does the job, and I don't really mind. Alright, so guys, that is my closet. Here's my night table, nightstand, and then cables to charge my phone and Apple Watch and stuff. Then, as you guys can see, what's up? We got the mirror, and we got the bathroom and everything. So here you guys go. We got the shower, the toilet. Pretty simple stuff, I guess. Yeah, so that's pretty much all, honestly, for the setup tour. Not too bad, not too packed. But yeah, I really like it down here. I cannot wait to move. You guys should be seeing a lot of more streaming and videos in there. I'm going to start to pump out more content, get back on the grind, as you guys know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I love filming this video. See you guys later. Happy 2022. And also, thank you so much for 3K subscribers, guys. I really appreciate it. Honestly, thank you guys so much. Yeah, see you guys in the next video. Dope out. Peace.